If you live in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and you are looking to downsize or thinking about downsizing and selling your Reynoldsburg home at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been working with homeowners and home sellers in and around Reynoldsburg, Ohio. And one of the most common and frequent calls that we get are people downsizing from their Reynoldsburg home, and maybe they want to move into something smaller. Maybe they are empty nesters at this point of life, or maybe they just want something with less upkeep and less maintenance. We absolutely could accommodate. And I understand wholeheartedly. I speak to people who are downsizing all the time. I know this isn't a fire sale. I know you're not looking to give the home away. You're not looking to, you're not desperate or anything like that. We don't expect that whatsoever. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your property. And the reason people like working with us and the reason why we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials is we're going to be fair to you. We're neighbors at the end of the day. This isn't some call center in a distant land. This is Columbus. We're here in central Ohio. We're neighbors. I was in Reynoldsburg earlier today at a different house. So we're going to treat you fair, and we're going to help you move into your next property so you're going to get everything that you want. It's going to be less maintenance for you, or whatever your reason in wanting to downsize. In fact, the last person I spoke with who was downsizing away from their Reynoldsburg home, they wanted to move closer to family. They had grandkids at this point, and that's great. So we understand you want something fair, but you also want something convenient. And that's what we're able to bring to the table. We can keep it easy and convenient because we are a true cash buyer, and that means you don't need to rely on this bank to approve our mortgage, and there's going to be 100 different appraisals, and you have to make repairs to the property. No, we're a cash buyer, and so there's no approvals necessary, and we're an as-is buyer, so you don't have to fix anything, clean anything, or haul anything away. It's going to be the path of least resistance is what we're aiming for here, just like we've done with hundreds of other people. So if you have a house in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, if you are downsizing, when you get on the phone with us, our number is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very basic form online, and then we'll get on the phone with you. But when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're working with. And this is important. It's often overlooked, though, but the timeline. So if you need something to happen quickly, we can make that happen quickly because, again, there's no bank approvals needed. It is a true cash purchase. But if you need flexibility, for instance, if you need to close on a new property or identify a new property, we can actually help you with that as well. We can help you with your relocation, and we can even help you with the moving if that's what you need. Just ask us. But if you need something more flexible and you want to set a future date for the target closing date, we absolutely could do that, or we could move quickly if need be. The ball's in your court. You're going to get certainty. You're going to get clarity when working with us here at Sell House Columbus. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.